Hi, let's learn Java in 100 seconds. Directly through code, no fluff, let's go. Every Java code begins with a public class and a class name. Class name can be any name that you prefer. Make sure there's no space here. Block start, block close, that marks the public static void main is the most essential component of your Java program. It's a function that needs to be present. It's a default function that JVM uses to execute the code for the very first time. Its syntax goes with public, static, void, and main means it doesn't return anything. It's static, so it can be called within an object. It's public, so accessible by JVM. It takes in string, array, and as an argument. Then you write your code inside public static void main. All the code goes inside this main function. The first thing we do in order to print our any statement is system.out.println with capital S, small out, and small println. System is a class with an inner class out that contains a method called println that prints the hello world. If you run the code, it will print hello world. Then we create variables. Variables are containers that hold the data. There are various different types of containers known as integer, double, string, boolean, short, float, type, double. Integer is a simple integer number. Double holds the decimal values. String holds the string numbers in inverted quotation marks. Boolean just contains true and false. You can print this in system.out.println using age plus variable is here used as a concatenation that concatenates the string with the variable. When you print it, it prints 25. Then you can print the value of pi. Because these are two variables, we use age plus pi. So if the pi value is concatenated with this string, you can split the string into multi-lines as well. Similarly, you can use more string functions on your Java code. For example, you can use hello string dot to uppercase. It will convert a string to uppercase. You can print this string again as a greeting. Now, whatever is the outcome of this will be saved in this variable greeting, and then you can print the greeting variable here. Similarly, you can check the length of the greeting as well by using dot length. Now, dot length is a function that is connected to this string, and it will tell us how many characters are there in this particular string. So if you execute it, it will print the value 5. Then we have if-else statements. If-else statements are conditional logic which are key to programming. In this case, we are checking if my age, that is with the variable age 25, this age is greater than 18. If the condition becomes true, this block of code is executed. The rest is ignored. If this becomes false, for example, age is only set to 2, then this will become false because age is not greater than 18. Hence, the else statement will execute. So using if-else, we provide the logical conditioning within our code. Similarly, we have for loop. For loop provides a continuation repetition of code. Within this, we repeat a certain block of code again and again until a condition is satisfied or false. So here we initialize a variable I with a semicolon, then I is less than 3, loop until the I value becomes less than 3, and then increment the loop. Print the value of I. So count 1, count 2, count 3 is printed. Once the condition of I or the value of I becomes greater than 3, the condition becomes false, the loop exits, hence printing the statement only 3 times. Similar to for loop, we have a while loop. The while loop again does exactly the same, but the syntax wise is different. We initialize the variable outside the loop, we write the condition only inside the while body, we write the statement, and then we do the increment. It will do the exactly same thing. Starting from the 0, it will print while 0, while 1, while 2. Notice it executed 3 times. 1, 2, 3, because it is less than 3. 0, 1, 2, the value becomes less than 3, then loop exists. Similarly, we have a functions. Functions are key important value in building the repetitive code or a reusable code. Code that you want to repeat multiple times and reuse multiple times. In order to do that, we create static, void, and your function name. We give it an arguments if you want to. Then you can write a block of code or any code that wants to perform. Then you call the function say hi. Because this is static, we can use without creating an object. So we just call the function inside our public static void main. Function is declared outside the main body. Similarly, we can create objects in Java as well. In order to create object of class Java 100 seconds, we use Java 100 seconds. The class name is there, then object with reference, new keyword, and the constructor name. New keyword specifies we creating a new object, and this object is assigned to this object variable. Then we have declared a method called add. So we use object name dot this add method. So we are calling our add method that we have declared. Notice this method is again declared outside of the public static void main. This is a separate method inside our class body. So we pass it in arguments 5 and 10, and then the result is assigned back to this result variable. This is Java for you in as quick a session as possible. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.